In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see more profiles on LinkedIn. Navigating through LinkedIn and expanding your network can be a bit tricky, but with these simple steps, you'll be able to discover and connect with more profiles that could potentially lead to great opportunities. So make sure you're paying attention as we dive into this process. First off, let's get you into your LinkedIn account. Pop open your preferred web browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, you'll notice two main options for logging in. You can either sign in with Google or continue with your LinkedIn account. Choose the option that best suits you. Occasionally, for an added layer of security, LinkedIn might ask you to solve a CAPTCHA, so don't be alarmed if you see one. It's just LinkedIn making sure you're not a robot planning to take over the world of professional networking. After you've successfully logged into your account, we're going to navigate to a specific section of LinkedIn. Look for the option titled My Network. This should be pretty straightforward to find. Click on it. This section is your gateway to expanding your LinkedIn connections. So familiarizing yourself with My Network is a great start. Now here's where the real action begins. Within the My Network section, you're looking for a button or link that says Manage My Network. Click on it. This area is like a control panel for your LinkedIn connections. It's here that LinkedIn lays out all the profiles you can connect with, not to mention groups you might join or follow to enhance your networking experience. But let's zoom in on what you're here for, seeing more profiles. In Manage My Network, take your time to explore the suggestions LinkedIn provides. These are tailored based on your current network and profile interactions. LinkedIn's algorithm is pretty savvy at finding profiles that align with your interests or industry. Remember, networking on LinkedIn is not just about quantity, it's about quality too. While you're exploring new profiles to connect with, think about how each connection might fit into your professional network. And could they offer insight into your industry? Do they share similar interests? Networking is a two-way street, so consider how you might also contribute to their LinkedIn experience. As you go through these steps, here's a little tip. Personalize your connection requests. A personalized message can make a big difference in someone accepting your request. It shows you've taken the moment to learn about them and their work, and you're not just randomly building your connections, and there you have it. You're now equipped to dive deeper into LinkedIn and uncover a wealth of new profiles to connect with. Think of LinkedIn as a vast ocean of professional opportunities. So you just need to cast your net in the right direction. Keep exploring, keep connecting, and most importantly, keep engaging with your network. The more active and involved you are, the more you'll get out of your LinkedIn experience. So go ahead, give these steps a try, and watch your professional network grow. Happy networking!